Welcome to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day number 308, and
what are we gonna do, Mr. Kevin?
yeah, that's a lot of our trees gone. Our defenses are gone. There's still a chicken right here.
No,
I think the chicken's running away.
I'm scared.
Well, I went ahead and replaced all the eggs, or all the fireworks. So I replaced all the eggs with fireworks.
Oh, that's good.
But we still got a bunch of other stuff to do.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, look, there's a chest here.
Cherry tree is gone.
Look, there's a chest here.
What's in the chest?
Oh, wow. That's a lot of cooked chicken.
Chicken? There's a book.
Okay, let me see what's in the book. Let's see. Don't slow time again. Here is your Thanksgiving feast, Redbeard.
Roasted chicken. What is this other thing?
That's his music disc.
Oh.
So if you put it in. Oh, whoops. What happened? There we go.
Boom goes the spark as the redstone hums. Mr. Redbeard's here where chaos comes. TNT stacked like a madman's dream.
Is this going to cause him to come?
Fiery gleam. Oh, Mr.
I don't know.
Redbeard, the wild.
Oh, it's a chicken. Sort of.
Chicken key?
Chicken key, maybe?
Chicken. Oh, I picked it up.
Yep. Interesting. All right.
Put it
Well,
back.
we should get working on fixing this whole thing. What kind of tree should we put here in the middle? We've had a couple different types of trees. Should we do a different tree?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, if you're watching, you have an idea of what kind of tree we could put here, let us know. That would be great.
Do we have a banana tree?
No, not that I know of. But before we get started,
Get rid
we
of
should
these
probably read the
blocks?
Bible. That's always a great way to kick things off. What do you think?
That's a good idea.
All right, let's go get it. Well, we should probably read out here anyways. That'd be
this
great.
Big hole over here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, not a lot survived. We have this whole hole over here. Our well's kind of destroyed.
Hole.
Yep.
It's a hole.
All right. Well, we're getting distracted. Let's go read.
I'm down here.
Oh, I'm getting distracted. All right, here we go. Day 307. Jesus' miracle is discussed. Oh, yeah. Yesterday was a miracle of the blind man who was healed. That's pretty cool. So John chapter 9, verses 8 through 12. So if you have your Bible, go ahead and open up to John chapter 9, and you can follow along. Here's our reflect. Can you imagine how the healed man felt?
Happy.
Yeah, I bet pretty happy, that's for sure. All right, well, let's go ahead and read about it. Can you read for us?
His neighbors and others who knew him as a blind beggar asked each other, "Isn't this the man who used to sit and beg?" Some said he was, and others said, "No, he just looks like him."
Oh, so there's some that didn't believe it. Wow, okay.
But the beggar kept saying, "Yes, I am the same one."
It really was me who he healed.
They asked, "Who healed you? What happened?" He told them, "The man they called Jesus made mud and spread it over my eyes and told me, 'Go to the pool of Siloam and wash yourself.' So I went and washed, and now I can see." "Where is he now?" they asked. "I don't know," he replied.
So he actually never even saw Jesus because he was healed after he washed and Jesus was already gone. Wow. You couldn't even recognize Jesus.
But he knew it was Jesus.
Sure enough. That's cool. Well, here's our praise. Jesus, you give us sight. Fantastic. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us, let's do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, you give us sight. Okay. Well, miracle. We can push the button. Woohoo! Fireworks! No more eggs.
Yay!
Yes. It's kind of nice having the tree not there in a way.
Oh,
you can see the fireworks better.
Oh wait, there's floating leaves.
Wait, what?
I broke them.
Oh.
So I can see the fireworks.
Okay. One more time then. Woohoo! All right, everybody. Thanks for reading the Bible with us. If you have any idea what kind of tree we should put here, let us know. And we'll get to work probably tomorrow fixing this whole place up. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Hey, I just filled it with fireworks. You're using them all.
You're fun.
Sure enough. Better than eggs, I guess. All right. Goodbye.